Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs voice changer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to ElevenLabs.io, sign into your account, and on the left hand side, click on the voice changer tab. Then from there, we want to click to upload, or we can use drag and drop audio video files up to 50 megabytes in size, or we can simply record our audio. And also your audio must be 5 minutes or shorter. We can split longer recordings into smaller parts as well. So I'm going to go ahead and drag a video file. So I'm just going to come over here, choose this one here. Now we want to click on generate to start processing. So I'm going to click on generate speech. So this is basically another YouTube video I made. So that's going to get my audio from that. Now, depending how long your audio is, it's going to take a little bit of time, and also depends how congested the network is. So for this 41 seconds, it's probably been about 2 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video and get back to it once it's finished generating. Okay, basically, in this video, I'm going to show you. Basically, that took about a minute. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on play, and you can hear this voice changer in effect. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube font bigger. If you find this video helpful, please. So yeah, this is just a quick rundown how to use the voice changer inside of ElevenLabs.